Hello. I haven't filmed on this in a very long time. It's my RX 100. It is Easter Monday. We're still in isolation. Well, I'm not isolating myself, but we're social distancing, I guess. It is now week 3, and my hair is way too long. That's better. Can I just tie it up at the top there? Anyway, I need to make some video calls. There's a lot of software out there that does that. I speak to my friends and family probably more than I did before I couldn't see them. And I hardly spoke to them at all while I'm making a video. My mum. So, you know, this is my one call a week with my mama. So I thought I would make it nice, I would make it good. And I would just go crazy with the idea of setting up a video call using a few of my special film tools, which are this stand, K-clamp. Is that a K-clamp? Is that what you call it? Oh, I have got vulcanized RX 18TD. We could really get some decent quality audio using the Rode Procaster. This is the crucial element to all this, the Blackmagic web presenter. Because what this magical tool does is converts your camera signal, whether that's SDI or HDMI, into a signal that the computer just picks up as a webcam. You feed in over USB and bam, it just comes up as a webcam. So instead of, you know, your crappy webcam camera on the front of your iPad or your computer that gives automatic exposure, you can now really control that image and make a really good video call to your mum. Let's do this. We'll use this red camera too, because you know, it's all right. Red camera. We have a lot of time on our hands in the film and television industry. All work has disappeared. There are no productions happening. We should use this time to stay creative. And that table is a little bit heavier than it looks because I'm very out of breath. I'm doing my one exercise a day, you know. Let's get the table set up. This is the magic. Shawty. Need a chair. Oh, freak it out. That's gonna have to go on the thing, that. Should we get some light on? Put that under there. That's nice. This is gonna be our microphone. That's probably gonna have to go there. Get some cables. XLR. I can't do this one-handed. Okay, this is the back of the web presenter. And we've got the USB out. That goes directly into your computer so that your computer reads it as a webcam. This HDMI is going into the camera when I set it up. But that's about as simple as it needs to be and is. This is our camera that we're gonna use. It is the Red Gemini. We've just got a Sigma 1835 on there. We have my lovely Clip 1 by Abracam matte box. And in here we've got some Revar Cine linear pol and a circular pol, which I can control by turning this dial, and that changes my neutral density. Oh yes, oh yes. Gonna whip that mic off because we are not using that. And out. Because we're going from this. The only way I can get out, I haven't got these cables, so I have to use this little connector and then feed that in a very long cable to the red. So now we get that mic in the red. Let's have a go. Testing, testing, testing. Let's see the levels. We are getting levels on the red. Hello, welcome to Layden's podcast. So we're gonna take that HDMI lead and we're gonna pop it in. There we go. We have a signal. Hi. There we go. Oh, I center framed. Oh no. There we go. Oh, I need to connect it to the computering. So we take our USB cable, slot it in, bang. And then that's done. Is this ridiculous yet? I mean, do have to call my mother. Yeah, it's fine. It's not going overboard. Now this is the crucial bit. This screen right here. And that's Jablinski Games. But if I go live, and this is in the YouTube studio software. If you go to webcam and we go test for this video, and we go to more options down here, we then get some options. We can choose to use the Blackmagic web presenter. The Blackmagic web presenter. It's having a bit of a difficult time at the minute. There we go. And then, so we just go live here, and then I'm like going live. Oh shit, is this public? You're live. You are live. You are live. And there is no friggin' audio coming through. Shit, son. There was no sound coming through then. I think we all saw that. So what I have to do, I have to go through to the audio menu here. Really simple. And we take the SDI input off and we go to HDMI input because the camera source is coming through HDMI. And then we have levels on YouTube. There we go. You can see at the bottom now, I have levels. That's just showing you how to get it onto YouTube. Really simple. It can be a lot simpler, but you know, that's not what we're here for. We're here for a bit of prattling about. That looks really rough compared to the one I was doing the other day. Let's pause for a second. HDMI out. HDMI out. Oh, SDI in. Switch this now to 1. But now my wife is home from a long walk. And my dog. Here he is. Little Poopy. So, the length I am going to for this call. Rather silly. Hello, hello, hello. Let's show you how easy it is with YouTube once again. Literally in the studio to web presenter and web presenter, and then you go live. That's how simple it is with the web presenter. That is awesome. Pretty good image. Yeah, all that fuzz is gone that I was noticing with the HDMI connection. I wonder why that was. Let's go to Messenger, because I really wanted to call my mum. This is what it was originally all about, wasn't it? Hiya! Hang on, I just got to do something. Settings in the top corner. Camera, web presenter. Microphone, web presenter. Are you getting me on this now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good. Okay, that's all I needed to do. Thank you for the demonstration, Mum. You've been a great help. Bye. Ah, so cool.
Oh, you're horrid.
This is our final setup for video calling my mum with the camera that she bought me. So we've got our mixer going into the camera going into here. Look at all those cables and wires, it's just a mess down there. SDI and USB into the laptop. Yeah, and then the dulcet tones of Leighton Cox coming through. So then, Rianne, can I call you on mute?
Yeah.
So that's me on Rianne's phone. So it does look a little bit nicer. It is a lot better. And what it is it's a controlled image. Yeah, so this has been completely ridiculous exercise and a complete waste of time. But in today's world, totally worth it.